Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll go over review questions 4 through 6. Let's begin by looking at review question number 4. Tyler is self-employed as a soap maker. He uses his spare bathroom regularly and exclusively to produce soap. The total size of Tyler's home is 1,000 square feet. The size of the bathroom is 12 feet by 12 feet. What is the business percentage of Tyler's home? A. 10%, B. 14%, C. 20%, or D. 28%? The answer is B. To find Tyler's business percentage, first calculate the square footage of the room, and then divide the result by the total square footage of the house. Now let's take a look at review question number 5. Which of the following qualities must a home security system have in order for the cost of the system to be deductible as a business expense? A. The security system must be electronic. B. The system must be monitored by an outside company at all times. C. The system must include motion sensing technology. Or D. The system must protect all the doors and windows of the home. The answer is D. In order to deduct the business part of expenses incurred to maintain a home security system, that system must protect all of the windows and doors of the house. Now let's take a look at review question number 6. Monica is a self-employed business consultant who qualifies to deduct expenses for the business use of her home. Which of the following is not a deductible business expense? A. Expenses for Monica's home landline phone. B. Expenses for Monica's home internet service. C. Expenses for Monica's second business phone line added to her home landline. Or D. Expenses for Monica's business cell phone. The answer is A. Basic charges for the first telephone line into a residential home are non-deductible personal expenses.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.